Yeah, well, Talk and Text is really a hard team. They've been manhandling us the last two games, so just everybody from the coaching staff to the players is coming together and trying to make it a little bit hard for them. There are a lot of stars on the team. There are a lot of really good players. Pogoy, you've got si Aftana, heading, so ng Batak. So talaga mahirapan kami, right? So that's one thing. And, we just want to hold the fort while Coach Nenad's away. He's been in touch with us. He's been sending videos and splicing for us there, even if he has some personal things. But it's finally nice to get a win. We haven't beaten this team in a long time, and you have to credit the guys for sticking together, right? TNT will be back, and they did come back, and it was good that we kept our poise and we got the stops needed. So, um, we've got to look forward for that Sunday game.
Thank you, Coach Luigi. We now open the floor for questions from our fans in the press.
Well, congratulations.
Naman.
On his first two games, both losses but very different. Yung paglalaro nyo, first game one, then you lost game two, bad start. This time, very consistent kayo to the victory.
Yeah, well, game one, John's medyo gigil kami, right? So I think we got the lead, but you have to credit the resiliency of Talk and Text, right? They upped us in that third quarter of that first game. They scored 38 points, and then ito naman the game two. I haven't been coaching for two years. It's on me. The guys were not in sync, and it's good that we bounce back now, right? But to fight Talk and Text, we can't. There's just too many good players there, and we've got to make it physical as well, right? So we're gonna be ready for Sunday's game, and we're gonna have to match their intensity again.
But one of the reasons you won this game was you didn't let's see, Daniel Tano to just 6 points on out of 7 shooting. He was averaging 27 the first two games. It seems every time he touches the ball, meron na nag-help sa depensa.
Yeah, well, Oftana is one of the guys. There's just so many points of attack. Like RR today had 28. Nambatak had 13. Oftana had, I think, 6 here in the board. Heading had 0, but we know these guys are capable, so we can't have all of them explode, diba? So just try to get a little bit of the matchups right. We know they're gonna come back big, but credit to these guys, led by this guy here. They showed a lot of character and courage in this game. So sana madala ulit namin yon for the next game. I truly believe this series is far from over. We have what it takes, but it's gonna take double the effort for that Sunday game.
What else you?
Sinungat couldn't finish the game. I can't speak right now. We'll have to talk to our medical staff and see how he is. But looked like he couldn't enter. So for now, I don't really have anything. We'll have to see.
Chris, how big was this game for you guys, especially after those two frustrating losses?
I mean, I think everybody knew how big of a game this was for the company. We had a really important meeting. Management came in and they expected us to perform tonight, and we did. Everybody stepped up, especially defensively. We got off to a good start compared to game two, and that was extremely important. That was a point of emphasis for coach for us to get off to a good start, and also in the third quarter. So I think we did that, and we answered his call. So he's in a tough position to come in and take over, and I thought he's done a great job, and also just extremely proud of CJ. From starting to then coming off the bench, he did a great job tonight. He didn't really force anything, and he played great defense. So thought he did a great job.
Coach, good evening, Coach. Of course, the victory came at the expense of Rani Del Campos. Jersey retirement. Alam din natin, they ended his playing career playing for...
Ang kaibigan din natin si Del. We had the opportunity to have him, and he was with us in Meralco. He's part of our family too, so we're very proud of him. Just quality guy here. He's won so many championships. He's been in the national team, and napaka kumbaba. I mean, very, very, so it was nice to be a part of that, and with us not here, right? So congratulations to him, and he's not only part of Talk and Text, he's part of the Meralco family then.
We'd rather take the victory, of course.
Uh,
This last question, with this kind of victory, how crucial is going to be game 4, could tie the series or could go down 3-1?
Yeah, you know, Sunday's going to be a huge game, bigger than today. But you know, our team, for whatever reason, likes to play with our back against the wall. So we play well when we need to win. So I expect everybody to, you know, step up to the occasion, including myself. So I'm really excited already.
Coach will active consultant Leonard returning to the league by the Sunday.
he would want to be here, but it's his, like, I think our team manager, it's his daughter's wedding. So kasal niya, no? But he's in touch with us. You know, he sent us video. He doesn't want to miss that. But we want to do our role that when we come back, at least pagbalik niya, sana it's, you know, 2-2. And that's the goal right now, right? It's easier said than done. We know Tokatex is going to be ready. So sana we can, you know, for sure he'll be back for game 5. But sana we can give him a good gift now we can win the next game. And it's going to be a lot of effort, a really lot of effort from our guys.
That ends our coaching press conference. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Congratulations, Coach Lee and Chris.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you.